Very heavy rains for the past 2 days have caused devastating effect in the border areas of the Telugu state, especially in the areas of Khammam, Suryapet and Vijayawada. We are right now at one such border area where the Paleru river, the swelling of this particular river has caused a lot of devastating effect. As you can see, the flow, the intensity of flow of this river was very high for the past 24 hours, which have caused this effect here. This bridge that connects Andhra Pradesh and Telangana had caved in at this point, wherein the traffic is said to be at halt for the past 24 hours. More than 12 to 13 kilometers long traffic, where the people are awaiting that restoration work here to be done, and very soon the highway will be operational for both the states. So here, as we see, Chief Minister Revanth Reddy had visited this particular point where this effect of this particular devastation has led to crop damage on one side. Several villages in and around this Paleru banks of the Paleru stream have inundated in water. Now that the water is receding, people are getting back to their locations. But Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has said that 5 lakh rupees will be has been announced for the deceased who have lost their lives in this particular floods. Reportedly, 8 to 9 people from Telangana have lost their life in the floods that had taken place in Khammam, Suryapet area and the other parts of Telangana. Wherein in Andhra Pradesh, the Chief Minister is right now inspecting all the rescue operations, where he had stated that more than 2.76 lakh people have been affected in Vijayawada due to the floods, and several other are the crop and property damage is yet to be ascertained. 8 people have lost their life in Andhra Pradesh state only in this particular flood that had taken place yesterday till today morning. Now that the water is receding, people are getting back to their houses. With all the devastation that is caused, it is to be seen what would be the further course of action of the authorities and what would be the measures taken for these kind of incidents to not repeat again.
मेरा नाम जय सिंह है।
तो क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पर? पानी का प्रभाव कैसा था?
पानी का प्रभाव एकदम अचानक ज़्यादा हो गया था और फिर कोदाड़ में डिवाइडर के हिसाब से आधा कोदाड़ पानी में थोड़ी नुकसान भी ज़्यादा हुआ था और कलेक्टर वगैरह अलर्ट ज़्यादा हुए तो फटाफट बाकी लोगों की जो भी हेल्प करके निकाल दिए। कुछ लोग जो नादानी के हिसाब से घुसे अंदर तो उसको कुछ वो भी हुआ है, बाकी सब ठीक ठाक है। बहुत घर डूब गए।
आपका नाम बताइए।
मेरा नाम नरेश है, राजस्थान के।
यहाँ पर कहाँ रहते हैं?
कोदाड़ में रहते हैं।
तो क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पर?
वो बहुत बारिश था, पानी बहुत घुस गया था। सरंगापुरम में कोदाड़ में बहुत पानी आ गया था और बाद में डिवाइडर वजह के सब रुक गया था पानी वहीं। तो कुछ कार कुछ घर भी डूब गए थे। इधर दो तीन कॉलोनी डूब गए थे। बाद में नाइट में 1 बजे डिपार्टमेंट वगैरह आके वो डिवाइडर तोड़ने के बाद में पानी निकला तो जरा शांति मिला। कुछ 2 जने, एक बाइक वाला मर गया, एक कार वाला मर गया और कुछ व्हीकल भी पानी में खिसक के गया।
With camera person Damodar, Abdul Bashir.